Hi viewers, this is Vetravel. Today we can discuss about how to install the Windows Server backup feature in Windows Server and how to restore the Windows image. Let's begin. Open your Server Manager and click Add Roles and Features. And choose the role based or feature based installation. Click Next. Click Next and scroll down. Choose the Windows Server backup feature. Click Install. The server backup is mainly important for backupping your important files and project files in your common location. Suppose the server crashed, something happened in the server, you can easily restore your backup. So now the initialization succeed. Just to close and open the Windows Server Backup tool. Click the backup once and choose the full server backup and click Next and choose your destination. So I am going to store the backup in my E drive. So click backup. Backup is started. It will take few more minutes. We can wait. Here now backup is completed. Just to close this and close this window. Now we are going to restore our backup. Just to restart the machine, press the shift key and restart. If you hold the shift key and restart means it come the advanced settings. In that you can click the troubleshoot. Click the system image recovery. Choose an account to continue. Click the administrator and type your administrator password. So after entering the administrator password, you can select the system image. So this is the recent latest image available. If you want to choose that one, otherwise you can select the system image. Go back and choose this one and click next. Click yes. Now it is starting to re-image your computer. Now re-image is successful. Now we have restored the backup image. We are going to restart the PC. Like that you can re-image your server. Now you can see after restart the machine we can able to successfully log in into the server. Thanks for watching.